Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Finland. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you need to check if do you really need a visa, because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that you have, you may or may not need the visa. And when you check these requirements and determine, and you want to know the process how to apply for a visa, always check the requirements from the official entity of that country that covers your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional steps, documents, fee, etc. All right, so let's say you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi. So for you, I have opened the website of Embassy of Finland, New Delhi. Okay, now under entering in Finland, they have the link. Find out if you need a visa. Okay, for Indian citizen, visa required to Schengen in Finland. Visa is exempt requirements to Finland. Okay, they have given these things. Okay, and yeah. Now where and how to apply? So because Finland is part of Schengen area, so type C visa that lets you stay 90 days, up to 90 days in 180 days period for short stay. That's where. So how to apply? You need to fill online form here. Okay, it will also take you about that like the documents, other things, and the photo that you need to. Okay, then you need to download, sign. Okay, you can even fill PDF format. Okay, and then you can like book an appointment with VFS, because in India it has been outsourced to VFS. Okay, and you can go there by booking an appointment, pay the fee, documents and all, and you can submit. Once it's processed and in case granted, you're good to go. So we'll go for the from the step one, Finland visa website. I just trying to open it in a new browser. Okay, so the very first thing, if you come here for the first time, you need to click on create an account if you don't have an account. Okay, you should read terms and condition, and of course fill email address, password, confirm password. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so what happens is when you do that, you get a link. Okay, you have to click on that link and then you need to verify your account and then you can log in. Okay, so this is the first login and we reach to this page. You can flip between the languages if you want to. It's available in so many languages. Wow, but that's okay. Now, following information before you start: passport, address in Finland, details of inviting person, organization, itinerary. You should fill it. Okay, should be completed in English. Print out of the application form will be only in English. Print and sign the application, deliver it. Okay, that's what I was telling you. If you are a family member, you may submit a. Okay, fine. Crossing information also they have given. Okay, fine. So let's say I'm going alone. So I'm gonna click on start a new application. And it's good that the guide is also coming along. So you need to, as per your own case, I'm putting Sam. Former family name, provide any other family name. No, I don't have. First name, given name. Okay. So if you have just one name, you can click on this. Then first name, like that, you can enter at surname. So a lot of people ask that I don't have a surname, what you can do. So that's how you do. Date of birth. Do it as per your own case. Just putting sample. Place of birth. Country of birth. Current nationality. India does not allow dual nationality, so other nationality birth if different, so I'm not gonna do. Gender, civil status, as national identity number where applicable, parent authority in case of minor. Okay. Applicant is member of European Union, EU or Sweden, so I'm saying no. Okay, I click on save changes. So the next section is the travel document. Type of travel document, I select ordinary passport. Number, so check your passport and then into this. Check your passport very carefully for these things, guys. Issued by country. Save changes. Okay, proceed to occupation. I mean, it's a good habit to keep saving. Then occupation and residence. Your home address. Okay. I'm just putting sample. You don't do like this. Postal code. City. Yeah, phone number. Email address. Wow. Provide correct email address. Don't do like this. Number. Residence of country. Other than country of current nationality, no. Like an Indian is applying in India. Current occupation. Blue collar worker. Wow, so many. Computer expert. Okay. Employer. Employer's address. Of course, you know your employer address. Of course, you know your postal code. Employer postal city. Their phone number, of course. And you know the email address also, although it's not a mandatory field, why to hide it? Definitely go for it. Main purpose of journey, I select tourism. Other purpose of journey is not mandatory. Additional information, so what additional information? Member state of main destination, so all the Schengen countries, I select Finland. First entry, this is very important, that's how you apply. Number of entries, I select one. Internet date of arrival. So I'm just selecting departure. Fingerprint character previously, I select no. Of course, you can go on guide and see. Entry permit to final where applicable. Okay. If you're traveling to another country, so we are not going to do that. Okay. Uh, Contact and Schengen. Yeah. Accommodated number of hotels. So which, let's say you have booked a hotel. Address, of course. Postal code. email address. Okay, these are not mandatory, but I highly recommend. Otherwise, how are they gonna make contact, right? If you have more than one hotel stay, click on that. Cost of travel is covered by applicant himself. Cash, traveler's check, credit card, prepaid accommodation, prepaid transport. Content of a person filling the form if different from applicant. That's not the case, so I'm not with that. Document. Select the country where you submit the visa application. I select India. Instruction. Select the checklist of required document. Tourism. Visa application form with photograph. Travel document, passport, other travel document. I select no. Medical insurance, 30,000 euro, yes, standard. Proof of itinerary, travel plan, flight reservation, okay. Proof of accommodation, hotel booking. Document the proof of employment. Proof of financial status. So that's why, see, for if you're applying in India, they're asking for income tax verification, salary slip of past 3 months. Proof of study, no, of course. Proof of pension, no, if you're employed and not on pension. Documents for not applicable. Cover letter. I highly recommend you write a cover letter, because writing a cover letter is an excellent opportunity where you can explain your case. Because a visa officer may not be aware of some minor details or something about your case that is not covered in the form and documents. So this is an excellent opportunity for you where you can inform the visa officer about your circumstances, and that may help. Other documents if you wanna add, you can definitely do. Okay, next is to proceed. So here, if you want to make any edit, you can always do. And once you click on finalize application, you can generate and sign. Okay, print and sign, of course. Now we'll go to the VFS site to know the next step. Is to apply forms. Step by step guide. Okay, so we know that next step is going to book an appointment and go there. Visa fee, yeah. Schengen 90. And if this is in local currency, and there's going to be additional fee for VFS to VFS service fee. And there's going to be like additional value added or optional services. That is up to you if you want to take it. Documents required we have gone through already, but it's here also, you can follow. Photo specifications given here. Processing time is also given here. So once you are aware of this, like you can go for booking an appointment. Okay, and then you can go there with your application, submit, and if it is granted, you're all good to go. So that is how it works. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.